Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error your organization has disabled the ability to change your password. First, check if a work or school account is connected to your computer. Open Settings and go to Accounts. Then click on Access Work or School. If you see any account connected, select it and click Disconnect. These accounts can apply organization policies that block password changes. After removing the account, restart your computer and check if the issue is fixed. If the problem still continues, you can force update the system policies. Click on the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type gp_update/force and press Enter. This will refresh all policies on your system. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. If the issue is related to changing your PIN, you may need to remove a specific registry key. Press the Windows key and R together, type regedit, and press Enter. This will open the Registry Editor. Navigate to hkey_local_machine, then go to Software, then Policies, and then Microsoft. Look for a folder named Passport for Work. Right-click on it and delete it. Before doing this, it is recommended to back up your registry. After completing all the steps, restart your computer and try changing your password or PIN again. Thanks for watching.